Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions and the reaction mechanism. Aromatic compounds are having double bonds, more than one double bonds, and a conjugated system of pi electrons. Although there are double bonds, yet they do not give addition reactions, as addition reaction would destabilize their resonance energy. Resonance stabilization energy would be lost by the addition reaction. So aromatic compounds, mostly aromatic compounds, gives electrophilic substitution reaction instead of addition reactions. This is the simplest aromatic compound, benzene. Here there are three double bonds, but they are conjugated with each other and having a specialized flat planar structure and a resonance energy. Due to this delocalization of these three pi electrons, therefore addition reactions to this molecule would be somewhat difficult. Instead, it gives electrophilic substitution reactions. An electrophile having a positive charge would replace hydrogen from any of these carbon atoms and attaches bonded itself to the carbon atom of the benzene, and hydrogen will be replaced. These are called electrophilic substitution reactions, means reactions by an electron loving species or any species having a positive charge. Benzene alone is not an aromatic compound. Only it is not the only aromatic compound, but there are a wide variety of aromatic compounds, and all having 4n plus 2 pi electron system stabilization energy. Therefore, majority of aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions proceed by just one mechanism, same mechanism with respect to the substrate. Although the production of attacking nucleophile will be different, but with respect to the substrate, the mechanism would be the same. The attacking species may be found by different methods. That is, the attacking species is electrophile, but the changes that are going to take place in the aromatic substrate are basically the same in all the cases, whether they are homocyclic aromatic compounds, heterocyclic aromatic compounds having one ring, two rings, or three rings. Therefore, in these electrophilic substitution reactions, the priority is to identify the electrophile, which has to attack and to find out how it is generated. And this is the most important step, that how we can generate the electrophile. In simple terms, electrophilic substitution proceeds in two steps. First step is the attack of the electrophile on a pi bond of the aromatic ring. The first step of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is attack of the electrophile by on a pi bond of the aromatic ring. Here electrophile E positive. E positive is generally used for electrophile. Electrophile may be of many kinds. Say that may be Cl positive, NO2 positive, or even methyl CH3 positive, any alkyl positive, acyl positive, but generally we use E positive for the electrophile which attacks on the pi electrons of the aromatic ring. Say here is benzene. First step, so this is the first step, attack of the electrophile on the aromatic ring, and in the subsequent step hydrogen is removed and a single bond is created between carbon and the electrophile. So the first step of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is attack of the electrophile on a pi bond of the aromatic ring. Note, the identity of the electrophile is specific to each reaction. That is whether halogenation, alkylation, acylation, nitration, sulfonation, and so on. And also the generation of the active electrophile is a mechanistic step in itself. It means for every type of electrophile there may be a different mechanism. यानी इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जो तैयार करना है उसके लिए मैकेनिज्म डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड पर अटैक का तरीकाकार यानी पॉजिटिव चार्ज वाले स्पीशीज़ का तरीकाकार वो सेम ही होगा, लेकिन इलेक्ट्रोफाइल जनरेट करना किसी भी तरीके से हो सकता. सो हेयर वी शैल डिस्कस द जनरल फ्रेमवर्क और जनरल मैकेनिज्म फॉर द इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक aromatic substitution reaction. This is the general mechanism of the attack of the electrophile E positive, which attacks on the aromatic. Here is benzene, but aromatic compound may be even heterocyclic. That may be naphthalene or any other substrate. Here, one of the double bond is attacked and a positive charge is created on the ring system. Next step is the deprotonation. Here deprotonation, H positive is removed, which goes to the any other species, and a double bond is again generated, and the resonance stabilization energy or aromaticity of the benzene or any other aromatic compound is retained again. So the next step is deprotonation of the tetrahedral carbon, regenerates the pi bond. Here this carbon is bonded to 4 atoms, other atoms, therefore it is tetrahedral and sp3 hybridized. Here this is sp2 hybridized, one p orbital is unhybridized, which forms a pi bond with the adjacent carbon atoms. So in the second step of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction is deprotonation. This breaks CH bond and forms a carbon-carbon bond again, restoring aromaticity. यानी उसकी aromaticity फिर दोबारा आ जाएगी. You may recall that this is strongly favored. The resonance energy of benzene is about 36 kilocalorie per mole, and so this is the type of phenomenon chemists like to call as thermodynamic sink. यानी कि वो थर्मोडायनामिक सिंक का मतलब कि वो 36 किलो कैलोरी पर मोल एनर्जी का जो स्टेबिलिटी का लॉस हो रहा है वो दोबारा फिर एच पॉजिटिव रिमूव होने से कम हो जाएगा. ओवर द टाइम द रिएक्शन विल eventually flow to this final product and stay there. So this is the step of deprotonation. Here X negative, any species that has been present when E positive, the attacking nucleophile was generated, and that removes H positive, and the overall aromatic structure of the benzene ring is retained again. And now putting all the steps together to show the full mechanism. Again, we will not go into details of generating the electrophile, as electrophile generation is a different method in most of the cases. Therefore, to study its detail, we have to consider always for every reaction how electrophile is created. But here the general mechanism is whatever the way of generating the electrophile attacks on the rings and intermediate type carbocation is produced and further loss of H positive gives the aromaticity again. So this is very simple and general mechanism of electrophilic substitution reactions. This is the general energy diagram of the overall reaction. Here E positive attacks on the benzene ring, its aromaticity is lost, and so it is at higher energy state. Then X negative, any species, removing proton, and when it attacks on the proton, somewhat stability is generated as compared to the first step. This is the state of carbocation intermediate, and this is the state when H positive is going to be removed. When H positive is removed, the overall stability of the benzene or any aromatic compound is retained again, and so the product is formed and H positive is removed to any X negative that was present at the time of generation of E positive.